Hello guys, we're back in Plymouth in more underground tunnels. We're in the second one that we didn't film last time. To film it this time.
It's either a wig or metal shavings. That's probably a wig.
Oh, I come closer to this for a look. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh. It's more to it. Oh. What? Dude, there's even more. Oh. Oh wait.
Wheels. You missed the wheel.
Oh, I missed the wheel. I just got thinking that there's more wheels. We'll go down and look live on this one. Oh no. Oh wait, this one feels like the other one did.
The other one's just bigger.
Yeah. Oh, imagine we just end up being in the other one we were at. Bro, this is huge. I'm just gonna turn right. Oh. There's another hole. Well, I guess there's another hole to make if we get stuck in there. Dude, there's more to this. Okay, I'll stay away from that because look, the structure is literally about to collapse on that. So we'll go that way instead. This is actually. Oh, let's strip the wire once again. I'm a little bit worried about these places with the oxygen levels. Because this one will not really have much oxygen because it's literally blocked off. Just like 10 minutes ago.
Dead air.
Yeah, this just needs the unstructured part, which let's just turn around just to be safe.
I don't want to go splat.
But my goodness, this place is definitely bigger. But is it better? No, it's just the same. This place is just more quantity over quality. Whereas the other one's just a taste of. It's like a free trial going on this. I would say this place is not bad. Alright. So we just got past the extension parts. Now let's get back on track to where we're at. That's covered in. So we're going to actually go quick. Oh, it's a bed frame. It's a fucking bed frame.
Bed.
Pipe.
So there is a bed for you.
Careful here. Wire hanging. Right, that's it. Right, now the hard part. Get out of that. Good recording? Yeah. Now I'm just going to put my cover back on and we're going to do the difficult part.
Try and get out.
Definitely getting out of this one is going to be harder. Right, Dion, we should film us getting out of this. And just send it to me.
I'll do it separate then. That was the other tunnel.
Yeah.
Not too much more to it.
Yeah, it's just bigger. It's just bigger and it's got more unstable things. And it's harder to get out.
And there's a spider. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.